Hi, today I am going to show you how to use the tire puncture repair kit. You only need a plier, tire pressure repair kit and a knife. First, you lift your car tire from the floor. Use your car jack that came with your car and find the object that causes the puncture. In my case, it's a small screw. Use the plier to pull that out. All the leftover air will come out. Open the puncture repair kit and find the tool that looks like this. One looks like a screw and the other one looks like a screwdriver. Pick the tool that looks like a screw. Make the puncture hole bigger. This is the easiest part. Use the tool a few times in and out. This process will clear the hole and make the glue stick easy to access in our next step. Next step is to use the glue stick provided. You need to use the second tool provided, which looks like a screwdriver. It is a bit sticky and difficult to manage with gloves. I used that plier to pull that halfway. Apply the glue provided. Push this into the puncture hole that we made bigger. This is the hardest part. You need to use a good amount of force to put this in. Make sure 2/3 of the glue sticks are in. In here you can see I am really struggling to put this in, but you will manage. This video is someone like me who doesn't have much knowledge about cars. Remove the tool, the glue stick will stay in, and cut off the excess. Inflate the tire. Finally, pour some soap water over the repair. Soap water spray is better, but I don't have a sprayer. Make sure no bubbles are coming up. If bubbles are coming up, repeat the process. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to make more car-related videos. Thank you for your time.